All right, folks. The Hawker Sea Fury is on the takeoff roll from the right. With wingtip smoke. As the Second World War drew to a close, the RAF canceled their order for the aircraft. However, the Royal Navy saw the type as a suitable carrier aircraft to replace a range of increasingly obsolete or poorly suited aircraft being operated by the Fleet Air Arm. Development of the Sea Fury proceeded, and the type began entering operational service in 1947. Sea Fury has many design similarities to Hawker's preceding Tempest fighter, having originated from a requirement for a light Tempest fire. Listen to that engine wind up as he comes in from our right with a topside pass. Your eyes on those ribbons of smoke right there at show center. You can see them twisting and curling there in the wake of the Sea Fury. Some Sea Furies have been used for testing of wingtip vortices to see the effects of a wind coming off the tips of the wings and the body of the aircraft, to see how the wind and the vortices behind the aircraft act. And you can see those twisting and turning curls of the smoke indicating exactly what those winds do. Here's another great pass by our Sea Fury. Just like a boat on a lake, it leaves a wake. And scientists have been studying wingtip vortices. Turbulence, you can get yourself into trouble. You can really flip an airplane. Smoky generators are demonstrating for us today. Mackenzie Cline at the controls of the Hawker Sea Fury. Mackenzie Cline in the Hawker Sea Fury with another topside pass. Egypt, West Germany, and several more. Such a distinctive sound, isn't it? Very, very different from the P-51 Mustang, but equally cool. Centaurus 18-cylinder air-cooled radial piston engine. That engine producing over 2,400 horsepower. Listen to that engine as he sets up for another pass off to our right. Continue to hang in the air on that last pass. You see those fresh ribbons, but it was almost 2 minutes ago that he passed by recognition as one of the renowned Baghdad Fury aircraft. In 1979, it was recovered from Iraq, and by 1981, it had undergone a complete restoration to revert to its original FB-11 configuration. In 2009, Sanders Aeronautics completed the most recent restoration. Expected will be in the air for many years to come. Here at this very airport, 21 years ago. Doesn't look like it from those of us watching Mackenzie Cline as he goes by. But I bet you anything as he goes right, the Hawker Sea Fury. Your visual communication needs. Whether you need a single building sign or 1,000 banners, their marketing savvy experts are more than ready for the challenge. Special thank you to the London International Airport for being great partners to Airshow London and being the host to our show each and every year. Check out YXU for your next flight to a great destination. And also thank you to Miller Waste for providing all garbage pickup and compactors to help with all our disposal needs. A reminder to take your garbage home with you using the garbage bag we provided you. Let's help our volunteers out and keep the airport property clean.